I'm continuing with my book, 12 Highly Effective Ways to Work from Home. The third method for working from home is selling your services on a freelance basis. If you're a designer, a writer, an assistant, translator, bookkeeper, SEO expert, voiceover artist, audio engineer, or many other occupations, this will work for you. If so, you can sell your services online. There are literally hundreds of thousands of businesses that need these services, and you can make good money working for them. In order to get started freelancing, you'll need to do a few things. You need to create a portfolio that shows off your work. Most businesses will want to see an example of your work if they're going to hire you. They want to be confident that they're hiring the right person. You need to set your prices. There are numerous ways to set prices, including by the hour, by the project, or as a retainer fee. Set your prices at what you consider to be a fair amount and be confident in that amount as you talk to potential clients. You'll need to reach out to your potential clients. There are numerous ways to connect with potential clients. You can call them, email them, reach out to them on social platforms like LinkedIn. You can apply for jobs on sites like Upwork and Thumbtack. You can list your services on platforms like Fiverr. Getting a freelance career started isn't necessarily the easiest way to make money, but if you're diligent about finding and applying for jobs, you can turn it into a profitable gig relatively quickly. The fourth method is to become an online coach. If you have significant knowledge in a particular industry or topic, you can package your knowledge and sell it. You're selling your expertise as opposed to selling a product or service. In order to be a coach, you simply need to be able to add a high amount of value to your clients. You need to be able to help them become consistently better at what they do. There are a number of ways to package coaching services. You can offer one-on-one coaching, group coaching, a course with accompanying coaching support. You don't have to be an expert to be a coach. You simply have to be able to add significant value to your clients. Coaching can work out especially well in the health or fitness fields. Here are a few platforms that make it easy to do coaching: Clarity.fm, Savvy.is, and Coach.me. The fifth method for working from home is to create online courses. Online courses are a fantastic way to monetize your knowledge. Online courses are a fantastic way to monetize your knowledge. Unlike coaching, which requires regular meetings with a small number of clients, you can sell your course to hundreds, if not thousands, of people. You can create a course around almost any subject and find people to purchase it. In order to create a course, you need a platform from which to distribute it. There are many ways to create and distribute a course. With an email course, you can build a course that's primarily text-based. With a video course, you can film yourself teaching. With a hybrid text and video course, you can feature a variety of resources. There are a number of platforms which make it very easy to create courses, enroll students, and accept payments. There's Teachable, Thinkific, Kajabi, and Talent LMS. One way to get a great feel for what a course should look like is to take a few courses yourself. Udemy offers thousands of courses for relatively low prices. Consider taking a few courses in your niche for ideas on what to include in your own course. In our next video, we will discuss another way to effectively work from home. Please like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.